Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 9 Abbey Woods in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular architect-designed dream home with highly desirable one-floor living.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and guests with this one-of-a-kind, architecturally significant light and bright foyer. Featuring beautiful double glass doors and side lights, tile floors, and a cathedral glass ceiling with mirror reflections. See the beautiful sky during the day and full moons in the evening. Leading to the spacious living room featuring a cathedral ceiling with an arched window and a wall of glass with nature views and patio access. An entertainment-sized dining room featuring a cathedral ceiling with a palladium arch window, transoms, and a wall of windows with a beautiful chandelier.
This is a modern and chic designer white and bright kitchen. With gorgeous cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, and an expansive center island with a breakfast bar. Open to the light and bright dining area with beautiful hardwood floors and a sliding glass door to the patio. An entertainment-sized cathedral ceiling family room with a wet bar, a gas fireplace with a decorative mantel, and a wall of windows, leading to the sunroom that is full with natural light, a soaring cathedral ceiling, and tile floors. All with convenient laundry and updated powder room.
This home has an exceptional layout with 2 bedroom wings offering great privacy. Just off the foyer features 2 spacious bedrooms and bath. On the other side of the home, this amazing owner suite features 2 walk-in closets, a spa bath, and a spacious bedroom with a tray ceiling and a wall of glass with nature views. Plus, another adjoining bath and bedroom or office. This is one-floor living at its best. This architect-designed home has quality craftsmanship and is evident in all the details.
Enjoy a seamless flow from entertaining inside to outdoors. With an expansive, fully fenced-in patio with a charming terrace and multiple sitting areas, all overlooking the sprawling, tree-lined backyard. Plus 2 architecturally significant outbuildings which could be great for your hobbies or office, one with a powder room.
Abbey Woods is a neighborhood of fine homes. Nearby everything Pittsford has to offer. Here we are in Showen Place in the village of Pittsford.
Pittsford is known for its fabulous restaurants, great shops, and specialty boutiques. Situated on the historic Erie Canal, great for a walk, kayak ride, or boat ride. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 9 Abbey Woods in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!